Hi children, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to study next chapter, lesson 7, safety rules. Okay, the chapter you can take the textbook and you can see it. Safety rules means while we are in the school or at our home or in the park, outside, wherever, we have to be safe, right? So in the school, while we are playing in the ground, we should be very safe, otherwise we will get injuries, we will fall down. So we have to follow certain rules at our home also, and while using any objects like while you are sharpening your pencil or drawing something using pen, so many safety methods you have to follow. About that we are going to study in this chapter. First one are safety rules. What is safety rules? We can see what is it. We should follow rules at school, on road, at playground, at home and wherever we go. So while we are in the school or in the playground or wherever we go, we have to be very safe. These rules ensure that we are safe. We can avoid accidents by following these rules. So the safety rules, if we are following the safety rules, we can avoid accidents and we will be safe at any place where we go. So that is the use of safety rules. We have to follow certain safety rules to be safe at anywhere, means in the playground, school or park where we go. Protecting ourselves from getting hurt and staying away from danger is called safety. It is the definition of safety. Means protecting, means getting us safe, protecting ourselves from getting hurt. Hurt means any injuries or any accidents. We have to get the protection from the injuries or hurt, and staying away from danger. We have to leave the area from wherever danger is there. We have to leave that area. That particular thing or that term is known as safety. Safety means we have to be safe. We have to avoid accidents. We have to avoid dangerous situations. So protecting, we are keeping ourselves safe from getting hurt, from getting any accidents or injuries, and staying away from danger. Same meaning is there. Staying away from danger is known as safety. That's the term denotes safety. And first one we have to know about safety rules. Again, safety rules. If we are careful, we can keep ourselves safe. Is it right? Yes, if we are careful, we have to be very conscious and careful while we are doing anything. Then we will keep ourselves safe. Knives, scissors, matchsticks and firecrackers are few dangerous objects around us. So while handling these all the things, we have to be very conscious and we have to be very careful. Knives, scissors, matchsticks and firecrackers, dangerous objects near us. And we have to be careful and alert while using such objects. We have to be very safe and alert. Accidents and injuries happen when we are not alert. So if you are not safe, if you are not looking on this particular object in a safe way, we will be getting accidents or injuries. Okay. If we are careful, we can keep ourselves safe. Same if we are careful. So it is our duty to keep ourselves safe. While we are using any of these objects, we should be very careful, otherwise accidents may happen. Then first one is safety at home. A few safety methods to be followed at our home. Keep your room neat and tidy by keeping things in their proper place. So if you are using at your home, you may have the room. There all the things, what all the things you are using, everything should be keep in its particular place, and the room should be very neat and tidy. Then stay away from gas stoves. Do not touch anything kept over the gas stove. So at home you are not allowed to, means you have to keep a distance from the gas stoves, or even if you are there, you have to go with the elders. You don't take anything from that gas stove. Never play with the matchbox on fire. So it is another thing, safety method to follow. Never play with the matchbox on fire. So it will get burned to our fingers. Never touch electrical switches and the gadgets with the wet hands. So while we are touching the electrical switches or gadgets, you don't keep wet hand for keeping it on or whether it is to off. Never run up and down the stairs. So don't run through the staircases. Do not run around on a wet floor. So these are the safety methods we have to follow at our home. Means keep your rooms very neat and tidy. Stay away from gas stoves and never play with the matchbox and never touch electrical switches with the wet hand. And never run up and down through the staircases and do not run around the wet floor or wet place. Then next see children, you have to understand the safety rules at home and the notes are given here. Write the notes in your notebook. First one, we should not touch a dash, answer is knife. We should not play with fire. We should not take anything from strangers. We should follow traffic rules. We should never stand on tables or chairs. We have to learn to be careful, avoid accidents. Up to this, the same is given in your textbook. You have to write the correct answers. The use of objects like dash and dash can be dangerous. Scissors, knives or matchsticks. It will be dangerous while you are using. So these are the filling the blanks you have to write in the notebook. And two questions are there. What are the dangerous objects around us? Knives, scissors, matchstick and firecrackers. Then what is the definition of safety? What is safety? Protecting ourselves from getting hurt and staying away from danger. See, staying away from danger and protecting ourselves from getting hurt. Okay, that is safety. Protecting ourselves from getting hurt and staying away from danger. It is known as safety. Then write any 4 safety rules to be followed at our home. So children, any 4 rules methods you can write. Never play with matchbox on fire. Stay away from gas stove. Never touch electrical gadgets with wet hands and do not run around on a wet floor. Then next one, on which side of the road should we walk? Should be walk on the right side of the road. So 3 questions are there. Then next one, a few new words. It will be there. I will take the dictation of these words. So just to learn the spelling also. Safety, traffic rules, knives, scissors, dangerous, injuries, utensils, gadgets, electrical, trip over. 10 words are there. Just to learn the spelling and the notes. Question answer and fill in the blanks. You have to write in the notebook and learn it well. And the dictation words, learn the spelling and learn how to read also. Okay children. So read the portion safety at home. You have to read many times and write the notes. In the next class we will see the next topic. Okay children, thank you.